What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet, Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Now, I just did a huge fitted hat unboxing on the channel. If you haven't already seen it, definitely go check it out. I unboxed like 10 hats, 10 brand new hats in that video. I'll link it at the end of this one because you definitely don't want to miss out. And if you didn't already know, I am uploading every day. That means new fitted hat, sneakers, and streetwear content on your feed every day. So make sure y'all tap into the channel every day of August. Now, I did keep something out of that unboxing, and that's this one right here. One more fitted hat. Well, to be honest, there's actually a couple that I kept out of that video, but y'all will see them later on. But this one in particular, I wanted to give its own video to because I don't pay resale often, but when I do, y'all know it's some heat. So I did go ahead and pay above retail price for this hat right here. It's one that I've been wanting for a while. I've been looking for it for a while, and I did see it in a couple of places before I finally pulled the trigger, but they were just taxing. They were trying to head crack, and I wasn't gonna pay anything over 100. Not for this hat in particular. As much as I wanted it, I wasn't gonna pay over 100. I finally found somebody who was willing to do 80, 85 shipped, and that is what I went with on eBay too. I think they had it listed at like 120 or something like that. I lowballed them and they took it. So, and this is actually gonna be not my first, but my second My Fitteds hat in the collection. And that is this hat right here. If you haven't seen this hat before, it is the My Fitteds Nathan's Hot Dog Mets. Now, a lot of y'all don't know me personally, but one thing that I will say, if you know me in real life, hot dogs, glizzies, corn dogs, whatever you want to call them, are one of my favorite foods. I don't care. Y'all can pause all y'all want in the comment section. Hot dogs are my favorite food, especially during the summertime, hitting up the barbecues. Like, I love a good hot dog. It is what it is. But let's go ahead and break it down. So you have that yellow on the crown. This is like a bright yellow. It's not like a gold, I would say. It's more of just a bright yellow. Like, y'all can see the difference. My hat, I would say, is more of a gold color that I'm wearing. This one's just more of a true yellow color. Top bill is green, like a dark green. And then you have that tri-color Mets logo, which is my favorite Mets logo. Green, white, and red, just like the Nathan's Hot Dogs logo. Green button on top. A very clean 40th anniversary Mets patch on the side. I can see all of the different little colors in there. No Batterman on the back of this one. Tonal New Era flag. Red UV with the white guts. Really clean hat. I couldn't let this one escape me. But like I said, I didn't want to pay too much over retail, so I waited around until I saw a price that I was okay with, which was 80, 85 shipped. It is a size 7 1/8, and this hat was made in Bangladesh. One thing that I will say about shopping on eBay for fitted hats right now, and grailed too, be very, very, very careful. There are people on grailed on eBay who obviously don't have your best intentions, and they will try to pass one hat off as another. So it might say something like My Fitteds, whatever the collection was called, or My Fitteds Treehouse, for example, or My Fitteds blah blah blah. It might say Hat Club blah blah blah, but it's not actually a hat club or My Fitteds hat. It might be another store that redid the hat. It might just be something that they pulling out of their ass, and it doesn't even look like those hats, but they're trying to get one over on people. So if you're not used to shopping on eBay or shopping for fitted hats in particular on eBay, make sure you read the entire listing, because sometimes they'll try to get you with the okie doke. It'll be like, oh, Hat Club Sandstorm in the title, blah da 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 da. This hat is super rare, super limited. Here's the team size, colors, and da 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 da. And then at the very bottom, it'll say Pro Image from Pro Image or something like that, right? Because it's the same hat, but it's not the same hat. So hopefully y'all get what I mean. Be very careful on sites right now. And that's not to say you shouldn't use eBay, Grailed, StockX, and all of the aftermarkets that are available to you if you miss out on a hat. Like right now, I could tell you I'm looking for Hat Club Red Velvet, the Astros joint. I already found a seller on eBay for that. I think he wants, or she wants, like $100. I think I sent an offer for $80. We'll see whether or not they accept that. I'm also looking for the My Fitteds PlayStation joint from the drop that just passed this weekend. Tried to get an assist, didn't work out. So I'm gonna just buy it resell. We'll see if that works out. But right now, those are going for super high. It's like people want like $300 for that hat and I'm not paying. But one good thing about buying what you like versus buying what's hype, when the hype eventually dies down on that PlayStation hat and other people are moving on to other hype hats, I'll be able to scoop it at a good price because, like I said, everybody will be looking at the next hype hat. This wasn't really supposed to be a tips video. I just wanted to unbox my hat and go. But since we're here, another thing that I will say to be wary of when you're shopping on eBay and Grailed is buying used hats. And something in particular that I kind of got caught up with was I saw a hat that I really, really wanted. Not gonna spoil it because I did buy another one, and when it comes in, you know, I still want to unbox it and stuff like that. But I bought the hat the first time. It was used. The seller said that they had worn it twice. I was a little wary, but I was like, it's a really good price, and this hat it's one that I really want, so it is what it is. I bought the hat, pulled the trigger on it, got the hat, tried it on. Ain't no way that seller wore that hat only 2 times. There's just no way. The hat was so stretched out. It was stretched out on the sides. It was stretched out. It was just stretched. Like you could tell they had been sweating in it. And they cleaned the hat. Like the hat was clean. Visually, it smelled clean. Like they probably, you know, cleaned it up real good before sending it out. But there's no way that they only wore that hat twice. I could tell that it had been molded to whoever's head was wearing it prior. It didn't feel like it was, you know, fresh out of the box, maybe curved and tried on, whatever the case may be. Nah, somebody had been wearing this hat. So also keep that in mind if you're buying used hats. I probably would not try that again because like I said, I was already iffy about it. Like someone sweating in something, wearing something on their head in particular, and then me putting it on my head and my hair. Like, it's clips for that. I'm not doing it again, and it's probably for the best. It is what it is. Do what you want to do, trade, buy, sell, whatever. But for me personally, I'm only gonna buy DS hats. I don't think I'm gonna include any B-roll in this video, so I'll give y'all one more look at the hat. My Fitteds, Nathan's Hot Dogs, Mets. The patch has kind of like a metallic effect. It's pretty clean. 2 stars on the back. Tonal Noir flag, green button on top. Red UV with the white guts. Couldn't pass this up, but I feel like it's missing something. A pin. If y'all haven't already seen it, this is my new pin design. It's the Panic Bomb Peaker. Y'all can see it right there holding on to the patch. I think it came out pretty fire. And of course, if I'm showing it to y'all, that means I'm doing another giveaway. I feel like it's only right and appropriate that y'all comment the hot dog emoji for this one. Last time it was the bomb emoji, but this time it's gonna be the hot dog emoji. So down below in the comment section, comment the hot dog emoji, and then I want you to jump over to Instagram, comment the hot dog emoji on my latest reel and my latest photo, because I'm gonna post a photo and a reel today. So comment the hot dog emoji on those 2 things. Well, 3 things here and then the 2 on Instagram. When you're done, just DM me and let me know that you're done. Obviously, if you're one of the 3 winners from the last giveaway, you can't win again. But if you entered and you didn't win, it's fair game. Hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video, a little bit of a grail pickup along with some tips for buying hats on eBay. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.